Artie McYarty here with another one. Hey folks, hope you're all doing well. Just wanted to show you some B-roll here of progress on my yard, how it's been doing over the last couple months or so, since that crazy freeze that we had and the aftermath. Well, as you can see, there is some spottiness, and there is some weird neon yellow chunks here and there on my main stage. However, it looks like it's slowly getting better, but we definitely have some death, some aftermath, right? Now, what have I been doing about it? Well, been doing a combination of granular and liquid. Lately, I just sprayed and prayed. What did I put down? I put down some super juice, I believe. I put down some micronutrients such as root growth stimulant, right? RGS, root growth stimulant, among other things. Nothing special per se. And then, of course, I did some liquid fertilizer. I just did some liquid fertilizer the other day. So we'll see how that turns out. That was by Greene County Farms, and that was a 1801, I believe. Greene Punch, I believe it was called. So anyway, just kind of showing you my progress, walking around, checking out the yard. Overall, not too shabby, but, you know, I am getting attacked by armadillos once again, so that part is a little bit defeating. So there's some reasons why you're seeing more of those holes and divots. Armadillos aren't just digging up the flowers and the landscape, but they're actually getting more bold. They're digging up the grass, the lawn. So that's a little bit defeating. Plus, I've been distracted, you know, with the kids and other family affairs, which is a good thing, right? Time for the family has been a great thing. But here we are so far. Just took this opportunity because the sunset is so pretty, right? And it definitely casts a different light on the grass and a different kind of green. So I wanted to take this opportunity and kind of show you my progress and how it's looking in this fine sunset. All right, folks. Hope you enjoy this little tidbit of my yard. You tell me what you think, but with the sunset and all, man, these greens are looking mighty punchy. So that's the thing that's giving me a boost of confidence, as much as I have been defeated with all this aftermath of that frost and freeze. But look at the green parts. Man, they are punchy. Now we just got to get that spreading throughout, right? And filling in the rest. Once we accomplish that, mission accomplished. Look at those edges, though. Nice and crisp. Look at those palm trees. Just take a step back. Enjoy the sunset. And if you need a boost of confidence, why don't you go ahead and download the Yard Mastery app? That's something that is just makes your life easy. Let's put it that way, right? You check out the liquid fertilizers and micronutrients by Greene County Farms. Can't go wrong. If you're more of a granular person, check out Yard Mastery's fertilizers, right? They have good ones that have high content in potash, or ones that have not too much but a good punch in nitrogen, right? Or ones that might have a little dash of that middle number that everyone's always afraid of. Good old phosphorus, right? And you can have a nice green punchy lawn as well, okay? But don't lose that confidence. Download that Yard Mastery app. Make your life easy. Let it guide you through the process. And have fun while doing it.